Okay, so I have some rules written down here. This is our utility function. J does not equal 1. So that's just talking about what firm it belongs to, either firm I or firm J. Firm J would be the competitors. So if this is the utility of firm 1, then all the I's would go to 1 and J would go to 2. If this was for firm 2, all the I's would go to 2, J would go to 1. So, but it's the same utility. And player 1 is going first and then player 2. So this is not a simultaneous game like we solved yesterday. This is a sequential game where player 1 moves first and then player 2 makes their move. So let's get started. We're going to take the backwards induction approach. So we're going to work our way back from firm 2. So this is firm 2's utility function, where u of 2 equals 3k of 2 times a of 2 times a of 1 less a of 2 cubed. So now we're just going to do our partial derivative now. So, right? And I'm not going to bother too much with this, with the math, but I can explain it. You're going to move that over. You're going to move less 3a2 squared over. You can take 3 off both sides, divide both sides by 3, and then square root. So your final answer right? A2 star equals K2A1 to the power of 1/2. Or your best response for firm 2 with respect to firm 1 equals K2A1 to the power of 1/2. Right there. So we've already solved half of it. But now we have to go and solve for firm 1, because firm 1 is going to understand that firm 2 is going to respond like this. So now it's up to firm 1 to respond to how firm 2 is going to act. Okay? You'll see what I mean. A1, and then you've got your A2, right? Because you're A of J, which is now this. But I'm just going to put A2 little star there for now, and then we're going to change it later. And by later, I mean right now. And this to the power of 1/2. And we can simplify this because we've got an A1 here, we've got an A1 there. Okay? So that's like saying 3k1 k2 to the power of 1/2, then a1 to the power of 3 over 2, because this is like 2 over 2, it's a full one, less a1 cubed. Okay? So there. You do a partial, right? I think we could simplify this. Well, we have to. We need to get AI alone. Not AI, A1, sorry. This one I'm going to take my time. So in this case, we can get rid of the 3. Okay. Yes. You know what I want to do? So I'm going to divide both sides by a of 1. So now we've got a to the power of less 3 over 2 over 1 equals 3 over 2 k1 k2 1.5. And this gets moved up. Final step. I'm going to put it over here. Our a star equals 3 over 2 k1 k2 to the power of 1.5, all bracketed to the power of 2/3. Okay, this is your answer. This is your SPE, which stands for something equilibrium. Here, give me a sec. This is your equilibrium. I did all my math right. Very pleased. I did. Wow. It's like 2 a.m. This is what you're looking for. And if you want to prove it using like second order conditions or making sure it's an actual maximum, you may. I'm just not going to right now. Tomorrow, we're going to do an uncertainty problem.